Hello, beautiful people. This is a little public service announcement on how to breathe well while wearing a mask. We all know that masks are really important for our immune health and for those of others, but a lot of us are very uncomfortable when we're wearing a mask. Why? Well, we often suck in air and suck the mask in along with it, or we find ourselves gasping a little bit. And what do we tend to do? We tend to focus on the inhalation. We want to get a bigger breath in. So I want you to get two ideas from this little tutorial, and I'm quite indebted to the teachings of Amelia Barilli for this revelation. So I really want to share her teaching with everybody, and just as she wants to get more and more people on board with this. If it works for you, please share it with your friends, with your loved ones. I know it's been very transformative for me. So the two things to remember are the key to breathing, and this comes from yogic tradition and Qigong tradition. The key to breathing is not the inhalation, it's the exhalation. It's the exhalation that determines the quality of the following breath. But what do we do if we're short of breath when we're wearing a mask? We gasp and we focus on the inhale. That will actually create anxiety. And if our breath is erratic breathing creates anxiety. Chest breathing alone stimulates anxiety. But also breathing can calm us down. So erratic breathing can create anxiety. Anxiety can create erratic breathing. And once we become aware of this and we can shift it, we have a lot of power. The other thing I want you to remember is that breathing in and out through our nose is really the way we want to breathe. The nose is already a filtration system. The hairs of the nose filter out particulate. The humidity of the nose and the mucus in the nose warm and humidify, and the air swirls through before it even comes into the body. When we breathe in and out through the mouth, or particularly breathing in through the mouth, we don't have any of that filtration system available to us. So let's practice first without the mask. I'm going to step back a little bit, because what we want to do is we want to focus on the exhale, but also get the breath to go lower, not up just in the chest, but lower and slower. So if you rest your hands down on your belly, we're going to exhale with a little bit of enthusiasm, like a sighing out, and then just relax, let go, and allow the inhalation to come into you. It'll come in very peacefully. Exhale with a sigh, and then relax and allow the inhalation to come in. We're exhaling. See if you can feel the sides of the body coming in a little bit. And then relax and passively, peacefully let the inhalation flow into you. When we exhale, we're letting the breath out and we create a vacuum. And then when we relax, nature fills that vacuum for us. See if you can find a pleasant way to breathe. Now, we don't want to breathe out forcefully. We don't want to think that more is better. This is still subtle. It's a gentle exhalation, like a sigh, like you've just gotten home, or you've just heard something that makes you happy. You exhale out gently, then you relax, and you let the breath come in, filling the lower parts of your lungs. You can even place your hands down at the sides. Exhale out, feel the ribs come in, the belly comes in, relax, and then direct the breath into your belly and your low ribs. Exhale, that's where you use a bit of will. And then you step aside and allow surrender to bring the inhale back. You direct the exhalation. And then you step aside and allow the inhalation. Now this takes some practice, and it takes a little bit of twiddling and tweaking so that you get a really pleasant rhythm. And don't worry if you get a little bit lightheaded when you start, because that might be happening for two reasons. One, a positive, that you're actually oxygenating a bit more of your brain, and it's starting to go, oh, this is new for me. Let me get used to this. And then the other one that we want to be aware of is if we're trying to breathe too hard. If we're breathing too hard, we could actually get a little bit lightheaded. So again, all of this is a very gentle touch. Some of the highest truths come on dove's feet. So exhaling, activating gently, and then allowing the inhalation to be a response. So let's try this with our masks on. Put your mask on. Or if your mask isn't handy, pause, go get it, or visualize yourself doing it with your mask. So here we are, relaxed, we're standing tall, our spine is long, we feel our feet on the ground, our chest is open, we have lovely posture, which already gives us more room for our breath. And we also are practicing with a soft smile. And I believe that we can see smiling eyes over a mask anyway. So this is a good practice for us, and also to connect with our fellow human beings as we're walking around and doing our chores. So standing nice and tall and smiling, gentle exhale takes the breath away, then relax and allow the inhalation to flow in sweetly. When it's time to exhale, just a light press, not a push, just a light press, and then completely peaceful when the inhalation comes in. And now maybe you want to go for a little walk while you continue to exhale gently, and then allow the inhalation to come back in peacefully, passively. And see how this feels. Track this through your body. Does it make you walk more slowly? Are you breathing in a more relaxed pace? Is your mask feeling a bit more comfortable, or perhaps a bit more manageable for you? Can you still be at your full height like a mountain, like the noble human being who you are? Exhale out gently, but with intent, and then receive the inhalation that comes as the following gift. So that's today's little tutorial on how to breathe, optimize breathing with your mask. So the two main things are breathe through your nose, it's built to filter, and focus on the exhalation and trust that the inhalation will take care of itself. It gentles everything. It creates more calm in us. It helps boost our immune system, and we can be more responsive, more resilient, and our immune systems are stronger when we're relaxed. The relaxation side of the nervous system, the parasympathetic nervous system, is for resting, digesting, and also for healing. So I hope this helps you. I'm also going to put Amelia Barilli's website in to the comment box on this little video so that you can check out her offerings. And many blessings to you. And we are all in this together, so let's wear our masks, but let's wear them with grace, elegance, dignity, and with optimal, beautiful breath. Bye for now.